In this video I will show you how to turn off unnecessary animation in Windows 10 and 11, also speed up performance of your computer. Search Control Panel and go to Control Panel. Select View by category. Click Ease of Access. Click Optimize Visual Display. Find Make the computer easier to see, tick mark in box, turn off all unnecessary animation, when possible. Click Apply and OK. See animation turn off. That's it. Enjoy. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.